Yes, at mukhang may feedback ang ating mga taga-Sanlo sa Labat dahil nga sa ganda ng kanilang inuming pampaganda ng boses, lalong-lalo na para sa lahat. Ito'y meron silang feedback tungkol sa Better Globe, Better Philippines. Okay, kay Mr.
So what can you
Ariel
say about my program, Better Globe, Better Philippines?
First of all, Mystica, we would like to congratulate you for having this kind of advocacy. It's very timely, no? Na lalo na sa mga nangyayaring developments, no?
Mga tsunami, mga floods,
sa iba't ibang lugar ng mundo, no? Siyempre, dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, hindi na natin hayang mangyayari pa ito. So, kumbaga sa health, meron tayong prevention. Sa environment, dapat ganyan din ang ating mindset. Ano,
right.
So, I think people should support your advocacy, Mystica, no? Let's plant more trees, no? At pangalagaan natin ang ating kalikasan at kapaligiran, no?
Alright. So, ang ating Miss Beautiful naman, ano ang
actually, Mystica, narinig ko yung program nyo before.
Oh, really? That's good.
Natutuwa ako dun sa sa advocacy nyo. Kasi kahit pa paano makakatulong kayo sa Pilipinas, di ba? And also in Kenya.
In Kenya also,
na magpa-plant kayo ng mga trees. Tsaka at the same time, yung mga tao matutulungan nyo rin.
Yes, of course. Okay. Magkakaroon sila, let's say for example, yung mga poor farmers in Africa, they're going to have a job. Okay? And then, through the Better Globe na may do-donate din ng mga tao, ayun, a part of it is gonna go also to my Mystica Charity Foundation.
Actually, nag-sign up ako.
Oh, that's
at magbibigay ako ngayon ng 1,000 para doon sa
natin. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, that's good. That's a good start, sister.
Kailangan kasi, pag meron kang ginagawang isang bagay, ikaw ang dapat unang-unang sumuporta.
Yes, exactly. You have to set as a good role model, kaya good sample. Kasi, katulad ng sinabi ko, sister, once, just an initial donation of 1,000 pesos, that will automatically give you a membership aid code. Meaning to say, magbibigay kami ng aid code and password. Through that, you can log into betterglobe.com and then, parang doon na mismo yung parang, alam nyo, naranasan ng online banking. Okay, para bang yun ang pinaka-online banking. So, instead na bank account, magiging Better Globe account nyo yun. As we said na on the 5th year, starting on the 5th year to the 19th year, magkakaroon kayo ng 15%. Every year yon na maibabalik sa inyo. Parang nag-donate ka, tumubo pa yung i-donate mo. And then, itong pinaka-bonus on the 20th year. So, whatever you donated, starting today, for example, and then tutubo yun ng 12.25 times. All you have to do is, for example, 1,000. Pero of course, hindi lang naman 1,000 initial lang yan, sister. 20 years time, pinanood mo 1,000 lang. Hello, diba? So, meaning, all you have to do is multiply it by 12.25 times.
Tsaka hindi yun alam mo, sa experience ko kasi, no, nag-invest ako kagaya na mag-ipon ng pera sa Bangko Pilipino. Disappointed ako kasi unang-una nagsara bigla, di ba?
Oh, di ba?
Pero dito sa sa Better
This is a donation.
Yes, this sa Better Globe, Better Philippines, it's a donation na actually I don't expect anything in return.
Once you donate, you don't expect anything in return.
Pero kakaiba ka.
Kakaiba, alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi it's not just like donating a wheelchair na appreciate. Eto, trees, mahogany, we're talking about acacia. Acacia kasi maha-harvest na yun on the 5th year, di ba? So, yung mahogany, it will take 20 years to grow. So, yun nga, kaya 12.25 times, kasi nag-appreciate yung value. So, meaning, instead na sa amin na yon, because you contributed for the environment, you donated para sa mga tao. Pero, because we are the only charity system in the world na willing kaming magbigay ng parang bang yung biblical principle na sinabi sa Biblia, the more you give, the more you receive. Kailan ba nagkatotoo yun? And diba? Usually, the more you give lang, walang you receive. Diba? So, once and for all, we decided na paano kaya may apply ito in a logic term talaga na talagang totoo talaga. So, we came up with that. The more you give, the more you receive. Kaya, kung ano yung ma-donate ninyo, aalagan namin yung mga trees na maipaplan sa Kenya. But it's not only that, we're going to plant equivalent to 2 trees din dito. So 1 tree in Kenya, yun ang mag-generate ng profit, pero 2 trees here. So it's either ibigay namin kay Legarda o kay mga Rotarians or whatever. Kung sino yung mga in charge, DENR, kung sino mga in charge sa mga pagtatanim ng mga trees, katulad last time. We just finished actually with Governor Tranquil Salvador III of 3810, Rotarians yan eh. And of course with Mayor Lim. Sila, doon kami nag-donate ng 60,000 pesos. That's equivalent to 1,000 euros. So, ibig sabihin talaga, we are actually helping the environment here in the Philippines too.
Ms. Siga, somebody was asking, when did you start this program?
Okay, we actually started yung Better Globe. Already started 5 years ago. So, actually 6 years ago. So, yung mga first 5 years, di ba sabi ko, on the 5th year. So, nag-start na silang nagbigay ng 15% starting on December 12. So, nakita na talaga nila na meron talaga. Nag-log in sila, nakita talaga nila. So, because of that, noong nakita ko, sabi ko, oh my God, I wanna make sure din na i-implement ko dito, not only in the Philippines, but throughout Asia. And that's also the reason why I was assigned by Mr. Rino Solberg, our CEO, Chairman of Better Globe, that I am actually the Managing Director of Better Globe Marketing Philippines Incorporated here in the Philippines and throughout Asia later.
Wow, that's nice. At ang maganda pa rito, yung Sanlo Salabat kasi, Mystica.
Okay, we're talking about Sanlo is health
parang
also.
Pareho din
So, that's the reason why I was very interested as soon as I heard a while ago. Sabi ko, kasi hindi lang naman ang advocacy kasi ng aking Mystica Charity Foundation para sa mga kids, para sa mga unfortunate ones, about health, about the environment, about the PWDs, persons with disabilities. Of course, Dr. Pons Abarin, hello. I'm sure that he's actually listening to us because he's the executive director who's in charge for the PWDs.
And Captain Durano is also
listening. And Captain Durano, where are you? Captain Durano, we miss you so much.
Nauna na siya.
And of course, so Pastor Tony Aglang, tomorrow, hope they're gonna be there with us tomorrow for our feeding, and of course, mini concert then, because the partners, they're also going to join us tomorrow. Sana makapag-ano rin kayo para ma-promote din natin yung Sanlo. Bring your tarpaulins also. And of course, Erase Placenta. We're going to promote them as well. And of course, Essential Beauty and Wellness. So, ayun, marami tayong magagawa. All we have to do is just to coordinate each of us, di ba?
May tawag tayo. Hello? Hello? Yeah, good afternoon po. Sino po sila? Andy, yes.
Okay, sounds, sounds medyo
familiar.
Nagpapahinga siya at talagang very relaxed yung voice.
Okay,
so,
Andy.
what can we do for you?
On air na tayo, Andy.
Okay. Okay, magpaano daw yung Sanlo at paano makaka-avail? Tingnan nyo, mayroon na kayong automatic di ba?
Ang Sanlo Salabat po ay available sa lahat ng mga Mercury Drug outlets. Kaya it's very convenient, no? Lahat ng Mercury Drugs, dala po itong aming Sanlo Salabat.
Oh, that's good. And of course, later on, ako na rin mismo mag-endorse kasi once I believe in a certain product, talagang ako mismo ang kusang mag-endorse na yan. Sanlo, okay? Sanlo Salabat.
Oh, yan na. Okay na po, sir. Hello? Ayan.
Right.
Okay na po. Alam niyo na po kung sa mabibili. Sa Mercury Drug po, available po ang Sanlo Salabat.
There you go. Okay.
Opo. Okay po.
Saka na lang natin po pag-usapan po yan. Just contact his number. What's your number?
Bibigay na lang po yung number sa inyo ng may-ari.
Okay. 151.
951
ito na lang.
417.
O kaya po sa 497-6419, mag-usap na lang po tayo mamaya.
Okay.
497-6419, okay? Okay, thank you very much. Okay, hello, good morning. Good afternoon, hello. Good afternoon. Pwede pong mag-text na lang po kayo.
Text na lang po sa 0908-885-7288 or Jovi's number. Para at least ma-screen po natin ang mga calls.
Okay po, sa 0928-4299548. Padala na lang po ninyo yung mensahe na ninyo. Pwede po?
Yes, okay.
Wala
And
lang
of course,
po tayong sagot ng phone ngayon.
Oo, kasi we're running out of time po. Medyo limitado po tayo sa oras. Kaya kung ano po yung mga questions po ninyo, just text them and then we're willing to give them our answers actually. So if it's pertaining to Better Globe, Better Philippines, fine. About Mystica Charity Foundation and of course about Sanlo, and you can actually call ulit yung number nila.
Ariel Bautista, 951-4172.
Okay, yun po. Ayan.
Yes.
Kailan ba yun?
Meron silang medical mission sa April 16.
Okay.
Diyan sa Parola
Sige. I-ano natin kay Nina, my project director of Mystica Charity Foundation. So, please get a hold of her. Kasi she's actually the one who's in charge for the schedules and everything. Kasi busy na tayo, sister, sa mga feeding program,
and not only that, parang inspiring kasi si Mystica, no? Yung kahit hindi ka magsalita, hindi ka man kumanta, alam mo yung presensya mo, nakikita ng mga tao na yung sidhi ng mission mo na gawin itong bagay na to. Yun yung point doon.
Oo, yung
parang the exuberance.
Right. Katulad din ninyo. Diba? Meron din kayong advocacy and your beneficiaries are
farmers and
farmers ng Mount Banahaw.
And women's cooperative. Diba ang ganda? Ayan. Pero eto, gusto kong batiin naman itong mga kasama kong Better Globe. Ayan, naka-uniform po sila ng yellow. Eto, dito, magmula dito, walang iba kundi si Jason and then Paolo, Frank, the production manager, and of course Nina, our project director, and of course JR, Henry, and Dennis. Ayun, yan po yung mga
kakasya pa ba ako? Kakasya pa ako sasabihin.
Right after this, we're gonna go to that place, right? And belated happy birthday to Miss Bernadette Molde last night at Maria's Sports Bar. Thank you once again. I had a very successful concert last night. And of course, courtesy of Erased Placenta and of course, Better Globe.
Okay, isa muna ang paalala para sa ating lahat.
Hi, this is Mystica. Sa many years ko sa showbiz, importante na region and more years yung pagsalita kahit habang nag-split.
Siya lang yun, wala lang siya.
Scars, all my skin blemishes na erase na lahat. And from a flawless white complexion,
you share your feelings after na nakatulong kayo sa
anti-aging and moisturizing.
Why are we doing
this? Sobrang harsh at makati. Dito talaga ako sa Erase Hiyang. Kaya pagdating sa placenta, dapat yung placenta ni Mystica.
Sabi ko, sikat yung kasama ko, parang sikat na rin ako. Lagi ko sinasabi to.
I'm gonna give you Mystica's ultimate secret to success.
As a motivation.
Why is it that most people struggle to be successful? You don't have to fight to be happy, to be prosperous, and to be successful. People struggle because their lack of true awareness, lack of knowledge, lack of faith in God, lack of confidence, and lack of power. They always claim to have a very limited resources. The truth is, there's abundance of opportunity that God has provided for everyone. They just can't see what's in front of their own eyes. Some are resisting the flow of abundance or opportunity into their lives. What's causing resistance? Thoughts that emphasize problem, fear, trouble, sorrow, unhappiness, suffering, uncertainty, worry, and lack. So now, what are Mystica's secrets to be successful? First, you have the power of now, awareness, confidence, integrity, deeper and stronger faith in God, great and worthy cause, knowledge of supply and demand in the marketplace, and the last is excellent growth returns on unique Better Globe trees. As everyone knows, success will not happen overnight. But if you take time and effort to check out Mystica's exceptional secrets, you will get all my pieces of information to ensure an effortless, solid, safe, and financially secured tomorrow. Once again, this is Mystica, Managing Director of Better Globe Marketing Philippines, Incorporated.
Uy, ganda naman ng music.
Less.
Ang ganda, no?
Okay mga kaibigan, nagbabalik po kami. Ito po si Juvie de Guzman, of course, with Mystica. At marami pa hong, alam nyo, natutuwa po ako sa lahat ng mga listeners natin, yung mga callers po natin. Humingi lang po kami ng paumanhin kasi hindi po namin ma-entertain for the meantime yung ating mga callers dahil sa kakulangan po natin ng oras. Pero this time, gusto ko munang maipaliwanag ni Mystica dahil sa dami ho ng mga katanungan na talagang hindi ako tinitigilan, Mystica.
Kala ko tinititigan.
Mula Monday hanggang Friday, di ba? Yun yung idol natin, no? Maraming mga katanungan. Bakit daw ang isang artista kagaya mo, isang singer na kagaya very, very professional na, bakit biglang naging healer? Ito kasi may kwento eh. May kwento kasi sa'yo na bigla kang naging misyonera.
Yes.
Ayun.